Chillistick hard at work, cutting out the pumpkin.
Hi guys, it's George from Chillistick here. Welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to drop it a sub. If you do go on to enjoy this video, please do drop it a like. Today we got a little pumpkin carving video. We learned in the office that Tash and I actually had never carved a pumpkin before, so it's our first time. We're doing it together. We've got one each and we had a couple of rules. First rule, we had maximum 20 minutes. Second rule, no stencils allowed. And the third rule was we're only allowed to use the tools that we got in our little pumpkin kits. So obviously I'm not going to make you sit through the whole 20 minutes of us carving pumpkins. We sped it up for you. Let's get into it. Ensure an adult fills the ice cage. Just ensure when you're handling the dryers to wear gloves and keep it away from children when you're doing this process. Once the ice is in the pumpkin and the ice cage is completely safe, make sure you use the funnel to fill the ice cage and get as much in as possible. So place the polycarbonate glass into your pumpkin, and then what you do next, you want to boil the kettle, let it settle for 2, 3, 4 minutes, and then pour the water into the polycarbonate glass. This just ensures that you get the optimum fog effect. Then drop the ice cage into the glass to create the fog effect and watch it come out the front of your pumpkin.